Hello and welcome in. So, I just wanted to talk about my 2025 wellness kit and what that would look like. So, the first thing that I would put in my 2025 wellness kit is bay laurel leaf oil. And aside from it combating the demon of uterine mania, bay laurel leaf essential oil is a medicinal oil containing the compound eucalyptol, and eucalyptol is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and it's great for the skin. It's also found in rosemary and eucalyptus, amongst other plants. And so the whole thing about it's combating the demon of uterine mania. That's just something found in the Testament of Solomon. But my second thing that I would put in my 2025 wellness kit is adaptogenic mushrooms. Um, there are different drinks that you can try. I've tried Kachava, and I also have tried GT's Living Foods. They have these drinks, they are like mushroom sodas. And I don't know, I just feel pretty calm after I like make a Kachava smoothie or after I drink one of those mushroom um, sodas. And it's just a nice feeling, and nothing crazy. It's just you just feel calm and relaxed. And adaptogens, simply put, they're stress management buddies, and they just help our bodies deal with stress, to include fatigue. And another thing that I would put in my 2025 wellness kit is lemon balm tea. Lemon balm, it's just nice and it's calming. So naturally, I would want to put it in my 2025 wellness kit. And I think I already talked about lemon balm a little bit before. But just as a little reminder, lemon balm is also good for stress, and it just helps you relax. So I don't know, that's just kind of what I'm hoping for this year, is some peace and to relax and for stress to be minimal. And so the next thing that I would put in my 2025 wellness kit is cinnamon. And the reason why is because cinnamon is great for sugar cravings. And oftentimes, when we are stressed, we eat. And that's because food is a big time comfort for many people, self included. For some people, it's salty foods, but for others, it's sweets. And for me, it's sweets. And cinnamon itself is sweet, or maybe it's spicy, I guess, depending on who you ask. But even though it is sweet, cinnamon is also used to help sugar cravings. And it's not the only herb for this, but it's the one I'm choosing. And cinnamon, it helps lower blood sugar levels. So that's how it helps fight sugar cravings. And just the last thing that I just want to talk about that I would want to put in my 2025 wellness kit. This one isn't an herb, but it's the wisdom books. And by wisdom books, I mean the Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Ecclesiasticus, Wisdom of Solomon, and simply put, what better life advice than biblical life advice? None of us have been through this life before, and we would benefit from having a guide to get us through this life. And I just choose the Most High and His Holy Spirit and His Son to be my guide. So just having those wisdom books as a guide as well, reading the wisdom of the ones who came before me. I just find it very useful, even though I've read them before. It's nice to go through them again. It's like you always find and learn something new, even when you read it over again. So, those are just some of the things that I would put in my 2025 wellness kit. And you should think of what you would put in yours. It could be herbal, it could be biblical, it could be anything that you think will help you get through this new year. But that's all I have today, and thank you for coming in. Bye.